Back at it here with the 71 Torino GT Forgotten Project. Well, I've emptied the car out, all the insides. Starting to pull the engine. Got the fenders off. There's only one bolt holding those on. Radiator out. And it's time to start pulling the engine. Really, there's not much on it. Like I said, we just kind of hot wired it. Just like a push button toggle switch start. Basically, all I have to do is drop the exhaust, torque converter bolts, bell housing bolts. Got the throttle linkage off, and I think we're ready to pull it. All right. Going. Fan off. Well, a little more progress. Got all the alternator, power steering pump, everything off on top. Radiator's out. Got her up in the air. While it's up, I figured to kind of show you underneath. For a rust belt car, a unibody, this car is pretty good. I mean, it's not bad at all. Floors are decent. Like I said, unibody's good. Just the driver's floor pan and the passenger floor pan have rust. But she leaks a little. Ford, patented Ford power steering leaks, whether it's brand new or not, it just leaks. So, but take a look down the rockers here. The rocker panels are super clean, some surface rust, but yeah, she's pretty good. I'm kind of happy with it. It's a good foundation to start with for sure. So we'll see. All right, we're getting there. Got all the bolts pulled, exhaust down, carburetor off. It's time for the Cleveland to leave its home. Get it pulled out, get it cleaned up. I'm going to ship that out. Drag the transmission out. And we're going to go from there. just like that, the Cleveland is out. Get the trans out next, but sweet. I'm happy now.
Torino, 1970, molded into a sweeping new aerodynamic shape. This year, go with the wind. Torino, 1970.